Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on the company Hoerrye, I believe is the way it's pronounced. I'll probably be pronouncing that incorrectly, but it's a suction cup mount for your MagSafe device, and here it is, Hoerrye, Hoerrye. And let's go ahead and unbox. So we have they gave some stickers in case you don't have a MagSafe phone. I'm going to display it on the Apple 14 Plus, which is MagSafe. And here's the device. You basically is a suction cup phone mount. So you're going to put it on the phone. And then you have these suction cups that you can attach your phone to virtually anything. The suction cups are real strong. And you have a finger mount or finger loop to keep your phone. And there's the instructions, tips on how to use. You want to keep it clean. It's a pretty neat little device. It keeps your phone secured like on a metal refrigerator. Can't be too porous. I found it has the smoother the item, the better. It's a suction cup. So that's my unboxing. Let's get into the tech specs next. So let's get into about the item. It's an innovative suction cup phone mount. It has 19 suction cups that can be used to hold mirrors, windows, and any smooth surface, enabling stable hands-free video and selfies with your iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Pixel, Note, etc., creating social media content anytime and anywhere. It's recyclable compared to other suction cup phone mounts. Hoerrye's advantage is that it can be easily disassembled and used without adding weight to your daily use of your phone and without leaving glue residue on your phone or your phone case disassembled. Let creation go with this phone suction cup mount, whether you are an influenced person, a TikTok creator, an Instagram creator, a YouTube creator, or just someone who likes to share content. This magnetic silicone absorption phone stands are the perfect choice to capture these moments of sharing. It has a powerful suction cup. The suction phone mount has a maximum suction rating of N52, making it perfect for use with the iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15 series without a case, and all phones with MagSafe cases. Alternatively, you can attach the included magnetic ring on your phone or case. So that's my video on Hoerrye's suction cup phone mount. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.